In today's video, I'm going to show you how you use the MT4 platform. Here is the MT4 platform, and you can see right here we have different codes which are currency codes. We have the AUD CAD, and we also have the AUD CHF, and these are the currency pairs that we are going to be trading. And I just want to show you guys how you can actually use these two. Before we move on, this is the Pistis Forex Academy, where we plan to raise 10 million profitable traders, and we plan to have offices around Nigeria before we move to Africa and the world, so that we can help individuals to earn a living through the forex market. So without wasting time, let's move straight to MT4. So this is MT4, and so far I've done a video on how to use MT4 on your laptop. So this is just a follow-up video for those of us who will actually be using MT4. For me, I use my laptop for chatting, and anytime I want to enter trade, I use my phone to enter trade. So if you are opening your MetaTrader 4, you can download it from Google Play Store. Once you have it, one way you will know that you are on the MT4 is all these numbers will be moving. But when you are just opening it for the first time, this place might be empty. So all you need to do is to come and click this plus at the top here, close to where there is a pen sign. So once you click this plus, that is when you will now add all these codes. So you can see we have the Forex, we have the Forex EX, we have the CFD EX, and we have the commodities. So this is where you can add your symbols. And in case you didn't see your symbol, you can come here also and search any of the symbols here, and you can pick them. So that is how you add all these symbols. So all these symbols you're seeing here, I actually added all of them here. That is why you're seeing them. So you can go ahead and click the plus button at the top right corner, and it will take you to this part. Then you can come here. If you click Forex, you see a whole lot of these pairs here, and you can choose whatever you want. And we can come here again, click on the plus, you can click Forex X, and you see different pairs here. You can even see Ethereum, you can see Ethereum USD, you see a whole lot of them here, and you can choose the one that you actually want to trade with. Okay, you can click the plus again, and we have CFDs. You come to this place, which is contract for different. You can see different CFDs that we have here. You can trade anyone. You can see the German 30. You can trade anyone you wish to trade. So that is what you need to know. If you click the plus sign again, you can see commodities. If you click commodities, you see we have the SAG USD, and we have the SAU USD, which is gold. So that is how they are being arranged. They are being segmented for you to know what you are doing. So now that you know this, the first thing I want to show you after you've added all this is for you to link your account. It's very, very important. In fact, you might do that first before you add all this currency. But I just like adding currency before linking my exchange or my platform with MT Trader 4. So what you want to do is you look at the top left corner where you see codes. You click on the menu, which is the three line you're seeing. Once you click it, it's going to come to this place. So what you want to do is to come to manage account. So you come here and click manage account. Currently you can see this is how I log in. So this is my account. So for those of us who actually use Esco platform to register, what you want to do is to click on the plus button, because that is what you will see. Why you're saying this is because I've logged in before. So if you are just new, you want to click this plus. So once you click this plus, you will see open a demo account. I want to encourage you, what you're doing is not demo. You want to link your live account to your MT Trader 4. So all you need to do is to click on login to an existing account. So you come here, you click login. So once you click login here, you want to search for your broker. So you don't come here and search Esco. Esco is just the name. If you want to trade, their machine that you search for is RSG Finance. So you come to this place, you search for RSG Finance. So you can see, so it will bring two for you. You see that of demo, and you see the one for live. So you want to pick the one for live. So you come here and you click live. So don't forget that when you open your account, you were given two login details. So one is login details to log in on the Esco platform, and the second one will be login details for you to log in into MetaTrader 4. which is where we are. So now you see the logins and you see the password. So you want to come here, put in your login, you just copy it from your email, and you come here, put in your password, then you sign in. So once you sign in, your account will now look like this. Your account will now look like this. So if you've made deposit, it will now be reflecting below. So you now see your deposit here. But this is not the place you do deposit. Of course you must have watched my previous video. I showed you escrow platform and I show you how to make deposit, and that is how you want to load your account. So that money that you put here, by the time you connect your MetaTrader 4 with your escrow platform, that is when you will see the money reflecting here. So those of us using OctaFX also, you can come here and search for Octa, and as you open your account, Octa will give you details, we give you login details. So you come here, you can click the OctaFX real, that is you are using real account. So we have different real accounts here, so anyone you want to work with, well, I encourage you go for this real and put in your login details, and that is how you will log in. So it is on OctaFX that you're going to fund your account. So after funding on Octa, you are going to see your money on this platform here. You can see just like mine is showing. So now I want to be sure that you know how to log in your MT4, and you also know how to add your currencies. So if you look at down the last part, you see two arrows opposite to each other. By the time you click it, it will bring you back to the codes. So these are the codes that we have. So if you want to trade on any of these, all you need to do is to click on them. Once you click on them, you have this pop-up. It asks you if you want new order, if you want to open chart, if you want symbol properties, or if you want a simple view mode. That is the question it will ask you. We'll still come back to this, but from there I want to understand you actually know how to navigate your way. So the next part is to click on the three candle. If you click on the three candle, it will bring you back to the chart. So this is the chart, and you can see the buy and sell lines there. You can see the red and you can see the green. So these are two areas you can use to do your stop loss and your take profit level. So currently you are looking at RSI at the downside here. You see the RSI 2, and this is used to track when the currency is oversold or when it's overbought. So how do you navigate this area? So all these signs you're seeing above, they have usefulness. So this sign will show you how you move and want to place your line on it. You can see, you can come here and give you for you to get a clear direction, and for you to know the numbers, the coordinates that you're going to use as you trade. So the next one here is indicators. So we have the Windows indicators, we have main indicator, which is moving average, and we have relative strength index. You can delete them also and you can add them also. We have a lot of them. So these are just the few that are added to the chart. So you can come back here and click on the next. This is just shapes. So you can draw horizontal line, you can draw vertical line, you can draw trend line, you can draw triangular line, you can draw parallel channel, you can draw arrows. So these are the objects you can actually place on your MetaTrader 4 using your mobile phone. So if you come back here, the next one is dollar sign. So you can see you can pick any of these pairs to analyze on this chart. Just as you change currency symbol on your trading view, you can also do that on your MetaTrader 4. So the next one is if you want to add, you can see once you click this, it's going to tell you to put your buy or sell order. How it works, but we don't want to talk about that for now. So we don't want to talk about that for now. So we just want to show you this. So after that, you see this arrow below close to this one that we are looking at, that has a sign as if a rocket want to take off. So once you click on it, this is where you will now get your balance, you get your equity, you get your free margin. So if you place a trade, this is where you're going to see all the transaction. Either you're gaining or you are losing, you're going to see everything here. And if you want to place trade, all you need to do is to click on the plus sign at the top right hand corner on your phone opposite the trade. If you click it, it's going to take you to where you place a trade. This is the area you're going to place trade. So I'll come back to this and show you guys how to go about it. So the next one is the message box. This is where you get all the history, what you're buying, what you're selling. And the next one is the news. You get any news concerning the pairs you are trading, and that is all you need to know. So let's quickly move to the chart. So you come here, we'll pick, let's pick one of these. We'll say open chart. So the chart is loading. So these are the areas, but I don't encourage you to use this to chart. But of course, you might become good by using your phone, but I think TradingView will give you a better way to chart. So right now, I want to show you how to open your order. So like I said, you can come here and click this plus, and to bring you to this part. So this is telling you that this is market execution. That's what you're seeing here, market execution. So you can tap on it. If you tap on it, you see buy limit, you see sell limit, you see buy stop, you see sell stop. So these are all the features you can actually use to do your risk management, so that your money, you will not blow up your money. This is where you want to put what you are willing to let go as you make use of all these other types. So for example, let me take one example of an order. Let's go to our channel. So this is our Telegram channel. So this is our group, the Pistis Forex Signal. So we are still going to grow. We're just starting out, and I like the way we're not much. So as we continue to make profits, a lot of people will see what we are doing. For example, this is an order to buy gold, and the order is buy limit, and the entry price is 29997.58, and take profit is 3039.43, and we have stop loss 2988.22. So that is how we're going to place our trade. The first thing you want to do is to look for the currency pair, which is SAU USD. So you come to your MetaTrader 4, you come to this part and you tap here, you come to plus, you click on this currency sign, then we look for SAUUSD. Is not here. So what we'll do, we'll go back. I showed you guys how to add all these codes. So we'll come here and then we'll click plus. So we'll come here and we'll search for SAUUSD. So this is it. So that one has been added. So we'll come back and we'll scroll down and see. You can look at it here. Is now added SAUUSD. So we'll tap on it and we'll say we want to open chart. So this is the chart right here, and this is what the market is currently doing. So what we want to do right now is to come to this part. We're here already. So what we want to do is to come back, and we'll come to this place. We'll click trade. So from this trade, we'll click plus. So now we'll come to this part, come here, and we'll see our SAUUSD. So you click on it. So now you can see at the top we are now trading SAUUSD. So if you follow my lecture, I actually taught on that full video, which is up to 2 hours. I taught you guys how to actually use lot size. So which I think I'm going to split those videos in different class, in different lessons, so that you can get it on a bit size level. So now we are trading one lot, which is 100,000 unit of SAUUSD. Of course, if you are starting with small amounts, you won't be able to buy this, or else you want to blow your account. So what you want to do right now is to actually come and adjust what we are doing. So we'll come here first. First step, which is to locate what we are doing. It is buy limit SAUUSD. So we'll come back here, say it is buy limit, so we change it to buy limit, and don't forget that we have our SAUUSD. So all we need to do is to come here, and we want to look at price and want to see what we are doing. So the current market price right now is okay. Let's not work with the current market price. Let's go and check our order. So for the entry price, is 2997. That's 2997.58. So come back here, come here. Our entry price is is 2997 dot, let's check it again, 2997.58. So it's 2997.58. So this is our entry price. So because we are buying now, we will make profit when the market is going up, and we will make a loss when the market is coming down. So our take profit will be where the market is going up, and stop loss will be when the market is coming down. So if you see, they use a simple color to let us know what and what we are doing. So the green shows us that we are going up, that is when we make profit, while the red is to protect our money when the market is going down. So you go back to your orders, and this is the signal. So entry price, we've written that. So take profit is 30.39.43. So we'll come here, say take profit is 30.39.43. That is take profit. Then we look at the stop loss. Our stop loss is 2988.22. So 2988.22. So we'll come here and we'll say it is 2988.22. So this is our order, everything is intact. So this is how we are going to, this is how you are supposed to place your trade, and this is how you're supposed to go about your trading. So if you are learning anything, if you are getting value, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post enriching videos like this. So if we have money here and everything is intact, this downside that we are seeing place will pop up, and by the time it pop up, that is how we are going to place our trade. So you can see down here we have expiration. If you click on the expiration, you can specify, or you say good till cancel. So GTC means good till cancel. So you leave it there until you cancel it yourself. So guys, this is how you place your trade. If you want to buy, if it's a buy order, so if it's a sell order also, you come to this place, you say sell limit. So once you say sell limit, you know that coming down is your profit and going up is your loss. So you want to adjust your upside movement so that it will be minimal. Then you want to increase the downward movement so that it will increase, so that you will be trading 1-for-3 or 1-to-3 or 1-to-2 ratio, which is also a good one. So guys, this is how you use a MT4, and this is how you use it to do your trading. So as long as you are in this group, we are going to start this trade together, we are going to celebrate together, and we are going to make money together. I'm hearing a lot of news that Forex is not real, Forex is fake, a lot of things are happening, but I bet you we are here for good. We are going to take it step by step. Everything must be done with transparency. Don't give anybody your money. Ensure you have your money in your account, and everything we are doing is plain. And we'll do the chart together, we'll pick the currency together, pick our entry together, and you will see my bias, and you will see the way I think when I'm doing this analysis. My goal is to ensure that the 61% that are here, they are experts and they become good, and the few that want to work with me to impact our generation will work together and help our community. It will be a great joy if we continue to spread each one teach one, each one teach one. We are going to make a good community, and everybody will be okay. Nobody will beg each other for food. So that is what I want to do, and just take it step by step. Don't come into Forex with the get rich scheme mentality. It is a gradual process. We're making $4, $2, $10, $3, $100, $200. The bottom line is it should be consistent, and we are increasing, we are making progress. So you can tell story. There was a time I was making $1,000, now I'm making $10,000. There was a time I was making 100,000, now I'm making $500,000. There was a time I was making 500,000, now I'm making $1,000,000. Then I'm making 1 million, now I'm making $10 million. So these are the experiences or testimonies I expect from this community. For those who are trading already, you will get insight, you will get idea, you see how easy trading is, but a lot of people like to complicate it. For a recap, the first thing you want to do is to come to this place. You want to click manage, and you want to add your account. You can add up to 3 accounts here and trade with them. All you need to do is to switch, and you come here and search the broker. For those of us using Esco Trader, you search for ROSG, Once you search for ROSG, it's going to bring the platform here, and you're going to choose and log in. For those using OctaFX, you come here and search for Octa, and it's going to bring it, then you log in. I've showed you guys already. So once you're good, you see your money reflecting, and that shows you are good to go. So any of the currency pair, like I said, you come to this place and you want to add them to this particular part. So once you add them, you continue to make good trade. So this is how it works, and this is what I expect you to do. Watch this video, go back again, watch it again, because we are starting out. We might not have that luxury of time to keep asking questions. That's why I intentionally delay all this process, so that you have time to rewatch, to relearn, self-grounded. A lot of people are rushing to take a trade. It is not like that. Most people rush take a trade and it hits them and they decide to say forex is not for me. Everything is for you. It depends on how you start. It depends on how you calm your mind down, and you are not in a hurry. You are not under pressure. You take it step by step. It's better to take one good trade in a week than to take 5 bad trade in a week. So winning is paramount. We have to pay attention. So this is the next one. We look at chart and how to make use of all these indications at the top. I encourage you to watch my trading view video on my channel. That will help you to give you insight, because it's always good to do technical analysis on your laptop. It will give you edge than using your phone because of the size of the screen. But if you have a iPad, good for you. If your phone has a big screen and it can make you get good trade and good signals, great. But all I know is phone is for execution, while trading view is for chatting. Then I come to this place, I show you your balance, equity, free margin. So this is where you get updates to see your balance, to see the profit you've made. And I also show you other areas like the news section. So these are the few things you need to know on how to use MetaTrader 4. So you want to enter a trade fast, quick, you can come here and click trade, and it will take you to this part, and you click plus and you show you where to enter your trade. So you can come here and check for economic calendar. You get what is happening, and you see the next news that's going to come and how it's going to affect the market. You have trading community, you can come and trade and join any trading community. We still have journal, and we have a whole lot of them. But mind you, I don't do all these things. So what I do is what I'm showing you. I only come here to trade. I will use my trading view to get my technical analysis, and this platform is just for execution. So then together, and let's grow together. And don't forget to use the link below to join our community. We are gradually growing. So thank you. See you in the next one.